Ciao, buongiorno. I'm Jessica and welcome to Catch Me in the Kitchen. Today I am in Florence, Italy, and I'm here with Chef Paolo at the Four Seasons and Il Palagio restaurant. Super excited to dig in. What are we cooking today?
Today we cook spaghetti chitarra.
Guitarra.
And with the guitar, we
So
do
we
spaghetti with some red brown
Okay.
from the Mediterranean Sea
Mm-hmm.
and the black truffle.
Yes, we love truffle. Okay, I've never made pasta before, so this is a first for me.
It will be fun.
I'm excited.
Okay. I already do the pasta dough.
Okay.
Okay. And this strong flour. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So we roll it out. Okay, that's easy.
That's easy.
So we put it through. Okay. So how do we know when it's done?
We try to have the thin like our guitar. We have
Ah.
a square
Ah,
on the
okay.
vertical view.
So is this thin
A
enough?
little bit more.
Okay. Do you ever eat pasta that's already made?
Yeah.
You do? Oh, okay.
The dry pasta is stay al dente,
Uh-huh.
and the fresh pasta is more soft, more scamby.
Ah, okay.
Wow, great. We cut a little bit. Okay.
Okay.
In that side too. Great.
Okay. Now we make music and pasta.
Music and pasta. Okay. The first thing we roll
Okay.
the wool,
Mm-hmm.
the wood. Okay. We roll, and then when you can see the guitar,
Uh-huh.
take it and you stretch.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Great.
Let's see. Let's see what happens. I hope I don't mess up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Great.
Okay.
Fantastic.
All right. I'm like kind of afraid to mess up. And back?
Back.
Yes. Oh, look, I can see
You can
it.
use your
Okay.
arm.
Oh, this is incredible. Oh, like
Okay,
this? Oh. Oh my gosh. I did it. There's spaghetti. Oh my gosh, I'm a real chef now. I can make pasta. Wow, it's so pretty. Look at that.
And it's incredible the texture. 1 kilo of white flour
1 kilo of white
and
flour.
1 kilo yolks.
That's so much. How many eggs is 1
And
kilo of
yolks
yolk?
and 15,
50.
50,
50.
50 eggs. But
50.
50.
50 eggs. How? That's a lot of dough.
Look the elasticity.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
Here we go. And twist.
Twist. Okay.
Okay. And then,
One of each leg.
oh God.
Okay.
See, I like to get my prawns when they're clean.
We do some tartare,
Okay.
like
Oh, is
filet
it?
tartare.
Ah, it's the way you cut it.
It's
Ah,
the way we cut,
okay.
and we serve raw,
Yeah.
just with the oil, salt, and pepper.
Okay. We're gonna start cooking. Yum. Garlic? Yes. Yeah. Oh, you do it with the skin on.
Just for the flavor. we
I'm
take it
learning
off.
new things. Okay.
Two.
So this is infusing the garlic flavor into the oil.
A piece of butter,
Butter. We love butter.
brown butter. Okay.
And this is the prawn bisque. So you made that earlier.
It smell
Yeah.
crustaceous.
Yes.
Fantastic. Adesso lo togliamo. Do you want to try?
Yes, please.
No salt, no pepper, but it's you.
No salt, no pepper. Wow.
Salt and pepper is flavor.
Oh, you want me to do that part? Okay. Okay, I'm a little nervous. Let's do a little bit of salt.
Great.
Okay, I like pepper. Because we have to cook our pasta.
Yeah, almost a pinch of salt.
Okay, so you know there's a debate about how much salt do you put in your pasta water? You are an executive chef at a Michelin star restaurant and you're Italian. How much salt should we put in our pasta water?
Depend what kind of pasta we cook.
Okay.
If it's the dry pasta and it have like 15 minutes cook, the water is a little bit less salted. If we have a smart pasta, fast pasta to cook, like 30 seconds, 1 minute like that, need to be a little bit more salted.
Okay.
Okay. Usually we use 10% of total quantity of water of salt.
Okay.
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 But we try.
You have to
our,
just
our
feel
job,
it.
Our job is try.
Yeah.
Eat and try.
Okay.
And usually the chef try like that.
Okay.
With the finger.
I'm
But
probably
it's-
gonna burn my finger, but
No. But
oh, it's not so salty.
it's not salt.
Maybe I've been putting too much salt in my pasta. I don't know.
For me, the salt is something who can elevate the flavor.
Yes, I agree.
Okay. I don't love much salt, but we need salt in the food
Yeah.
just to understand every flavor in our mouth. Okay, like a sugar in the pastry.
It's okay. Oh, I never taste the water. I just put the salt in and throw in the pasta. Okay.
Okay.
I'm learning new things. You have to taste your water while it's boiling. Okay, we're gonna dress our shrimp.
Okay.
Why is it so good?
Sweet. The olive oil.
The olive oil is really good. Alrighty, so the spaghetti is going in. I'm so scared. I can't overcook it, right? And then what do I do? Okay. And how long does it cook for?
They are ready.
They're ready? That's it? Yes, please. Okay. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh, I love truffle. I'm so excited.
But before service,
We have to taste. Here we go.
like a chef. You want to dress the plate?
So I'm very bad at plating, but I'm gonna try.
You can dress in two different ways.
Okay.
One way is take every pasta here and
Oh, wow.
okay, it's a little bit difficult.
That looks very complicated.
But at home, for you, your friend,
Much easier.
You wanna try?
Okay. Okay. Put it in the spoon. Okay. Alrighty.
In the middle with
Okay. Okay.
rolling. Okay.
I don't know if I would get a Michelin star for this plating, but
Don't worry.
that's okay. It's still delicious.
Need to be nice and good.
Exactly.
Okay. We are almost there.
Okay.
Smell good.
It smells amazing. Oh, wow. More truffle. So good. And we're finished.
Questo per te.
Now for the moment we've all been waiting for. There's so much truffle. My mouth is watering. Okay. Oh my God. That is incredible.
I hope.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
you.
This is incredible. Wow. This is very, very, and this is not on the menu.
No. It's the first time I do.
This is the first time you did it?
Yeah.
You just made up this recipe?
See.
Wow, well, I guess that's why you are the executive chef here.
Ma siediti, falla sedere.
Mm-hmm.
Now relax.